In this video, I'm going to talk about the Shape Builder tool, which is commonly used to design logos and other different pieces of graphic art. It's used to combine shapes to form more complex shapes, similar to the Pathfinder tools that we used in the last video, but in a more organic way. I'm going to start by drawing a circle, then drawing two other circles. And I'm going to go ahead and go to my Shape Builder tool, which is right here. That's Shift-M. Now the Shape Builder tool only works on what you have selected. So we need to select everything in this image in order to modify it. I'm going to go ahead and press Command or Control-A on Windows to select everything. Alternatively, I could have gone up here and just dragged a selection. I'm going to go back to my Shape Builder tool. Again, that's Shift-M. And you can see as I move it around, it highlights different parts of these objects. What it's saying is it's going to combine or subtract those parts based on how we click and drag around within this interface. So for instance, if I want to combine, say, this with this, I just have to click and drag, and it highlights both, and then I release, and it's combined them into one shape. Right now, we have this chunk right here, which is being hidden by this larger circle. So if I simply click this once, it's going to bring it to the foreground and we'll see that stroke. See? Now we see that stroke, and that's its own independent object away from this. To remove objects, I simply hold Alt or Option and click or click and drag. Now we have this great little head with a parted hair. I'm going to grab another circle. Do a circle right here. Do another circle there. And I'm going to go back to the Shape Builder tool. Again, I have to select everything, so Command or Control A to select all. And let's say I just want to keep this, this, and this. I can remove individual strokes simply by holding down Alt or Option and clicking on the stroke. And you may get these strange little errors like this. Now I need to just combine these to clear that up. There we go. Okay, let's go ahead and build some more stuff. I'm going to do a little circle here, like that. I'm going to use the Shape Builder tool, select everything, Command A. I'm going to just combine that. And now I can simply grab this object, duplicate it, and I have two eyeballs and a little sad face. So that's the very basics of the Shape Builder tool. You're just using the Shape Builder tool, holding down Alt or Option if you'd like to remove things, and then clicking and dragging if you want to add things together. Now, this seems like a really simple tool, but the more that you use it, the better that you'll become, and it can be used for all sorts of different things. I'm going to show you an example right now by hiding this layer and turning on this layer that I built before I started this video. Now, this looks like just a large series of circles and a single rectangle down here, but we're actually going to build a really nice little logo out of this. So I'm going to do Command A or Control A to select everything, and I'm going to start by combining these. I'm going to move to combining these. Combine that. Maybe you can start to see the shape that I'm building. Combine those three. I'll hold down Alt or Option. Start to remove these parts. Sometimes you get little snags like that. You just draw a line through them and remove them. And we've made very, very quickly a great little bird logo.